Oh, there we go. Little dinky bass. Well, takes the skunk off the boat for now. Should be coming today. Dinks, man. Another one. This one's a little bit feistier.
That's a nice one right there.
Oh, another diarrhea trout, dude. This fucker does not want to give up. I gotta get him on the other side.
Smaller than last week's, huh?
Yeah, a lot. This is like a 12-incher maybe. Look at this color.
That one looks like a wild fish.
Dude, this thing is beautiful. Actually, yeah, it's a little smaller. Dude, I'm just lifting you out. Actually, this might be.
Looks a little bit small.
Yeah.
Maybe an inch.
It's got no freaking top fin, dude. You got anything of lighter color? Maybe that's it. This thing's pretty light. Another one. Down trout slayer right now, dude. I should have tied more of these, dude. Yeah. All right, buddy. Come on. What's that?
The one you lost was a trout or a...
Could have been. It was just heavy. It's hard to tell.
Bluegill patterns, huh?
I guess this Gene guy is pretty well known on this lake because we were asked about Gene that one time we were fishing here too, a while back. Yeah. I think the dude asked us if we were Gene.
Fly fisher guy?
Yeah. There we go. That's a nice fish. It's trout again, dude.
trout slayer today.
Dude.
That's a nice one too. They're not fighting that much though, are they?
Yeah, this one isn't. Dude, this is a trout slaying fly, dude.
I'm going crazy over that thing.
It's a nice one, dude. It's all thrashing. Dude, this is a hefty fucking trout, dude.
Yeah, look at that thing. They don't fight much though.